You know, our world is being completely transformed by technology, and that means we have to ask a really critical question about our schools. So let's talk about the future of education and how we can actually get ready for it. I want you to really think about this for a second. Is your school truly ready? Because the future we're sending our kids into, well, it's going to be powered by artificial intelligence. So are we giving them the skills they need to not just get by, but to actually lead the way? And hey, this isn't just some niche idea. This is coming from the top. Global organizations like UNESCO are saying it loud and clear. AI literacy isn't a nice to have anymore. It's an essential skill, just like reading or math. The call to action is here. But that leads us to a pretty big problem. Yeah, there's this huge gap, right? A gap between knowing that our students need to learn about AI and our ability to actually teach it to them. And right now, most schools are hitting the very same walls. It really boils down to three main things. First, we've got amazing teachers who are being asked to teach a super complex subject that, honestly, they were never trained for. Second, there's no clear, structured curriculum to guide them. And third, they just don't have the right tools to bring AI learning into their classrooms. Well, until now. This is Kognyx.AI. We designed it from the ground up to be the one solution that closes that AI education gap once and for all. So what exactly is Kognyx.AI? Think of it as your plug-and-play AI curriculum. It's a gamified platform built for schools with world-class certified content that's ready to roll on day one. And the whole thing is built on a method that we know works. And that method is called microlearning. We've looked at what makes platforms like Duolingo so addictive and effective. So instead of these long, boring lectures, we use short, fun, gamified lessons. It makes learning about AI feel like a game, and it's way, way better for actually remembering what you've learned. And all these pieces, they just work together perfectly. Kids earn points and badges, which keeps them motivated. The lessons are just 3 to 7 minutes long, so they fit into any class schedule. Plus, our own AI is working behind the scenes, tailoring the content for each student's level. Then they get to apply what they've learned in mini projects and get instant feedback. It's a complete learning loop. See, here's the thing. We believe AI isn't just another tech class you add to the schedule. It's the new literacy. It's a fundamental skill that connects to absolutely everything else a student is learning. That's why we've woven AI learning through all the core subjects. I mean, just imagine your students using AI to analyze literature, or to model scientific data, or even to create incredible art. This is how you make learning stick, by showing them how it applies to the real world. But Kognyx.AI isn't just an amazing tool for students. We built it to be a complete solution that empowers everyone, from the teachers in the classroom to the administrators running the entire district. We've got these incredible analytics dashboards. For a district leader, you get this bird's eye view, central oversight, progress reports. You can measure the impact of the whole curriculum instantly. And for teachers, oh, it's a game changer. You can see exactly where a student is struggling, get alerts if someone is falling behind, and even get suggestions on what to review with the class. It's all about using data to make teaching easier and more effective. Now, we know what you're thinking. A new technology platform sounds like a huge headache to set up. And that's exactly why we obsessed over making this easy. The goal is simple: big transformation, zero disruption. Kognyx.AI is built to slide right into your school's existing system. It integrates with your SIS and LMS. It's single sign-on ready, so no new passwords to remember. It works on any device, and maybe most importantly, it's fully compliant with all the major data privacy laws like FERPA and GDPR. Your student data is always safe with us. But here is where we go a step further. We don't just want to deliver a curriculum. We want to empower educators to become creators and to build a real community. This is what really makes us different. We've built in AI-assisted tools that help your teachers create their own custom lessons. And we're building a teacher content marketplace, a place where amazing educators can share, license, or even sell their content to schools all over the world. It's about fostering innovation together. Okay, so this isn't just a cool idea. Kognyx.AI is already out there, making a real impact in the real world, and the momentum is building every single day. Right now, as we speak, we have over 1,000 students actively learning on our platform and pilot programs in Brazil. They're showing us that the model works, and they're helping us get ready for a global launch. And are they engaged? You bet. Those students have already completed almost 10,000 learning activities on the platform. This is active hands-on learning in action. Look, the takeaway here is pretty simple. The future of education is already here. The question isn't if we should teach AI anymore, it's how. And every single day that we wait is another day our students risk being left behind. This is one of those moments, a real turning point. And it needs leaders, people like you, who are willing to step up and guide their students into this new future. So the real question is, are you ready to lead that change? Be the one who brings a world-class, fully integrated AI curriculum to your students. It's time to close the gap. It's time to future-proof your school. Go ahead and book your personal demo of Kognyx.AI today.